Hello students, welcome to SSDN Technologies. Are you interested in full stack development or maybe your dream career is working as a full stack developer? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. In today's session, we will be discussing about full stack development and career as a full stack developer. So let's get started. You have probably heard the term full stack developer tossed around by in the known coworkers or tech forums, especially if you have started considering a career in coding. But what is full stack developer and what do they do? Put simply, full stack developers are the Swiss army knives of the development world. As masters of multiple programming languages, these savvy professionals are capable of transitioning seamlessly from one development environment to the next. In simple words, it refers to the development of both front end, that is the client side, and the back end, that is the server side portions of the web development, along with the database management. Now, what is front end and what are the skills required to be a front end developer? The front end is responsible for the visual look and feel of the website. It is the visible part of the website or web application which is responsible for user experience. The user directly interacts with the front-end portion of the web application or website. Some of the skills required by the front-end developer are HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design the front-end portion of the web pages using the markup language. HTML is the combination of hypertext and markup language. It defines the link between the pages and the markup is used to define the text documentation within tags which define the structure of the web pages. Number 2, CSS. Cascading Style Sheets, fondly referred to as a CSS, is a simply designed language intended to simplify the process of making web pages presentable. CSS allows you to apply style to web pages. More importantly, CSS enables you to do this independent of the HTML that makes up each web page. Number 3, JavaScript. JavaScript is a famous scripting language that is used to create the magic on the sites to make the site interactive for the user. It is used to enhance the functionality of the website to running cool games and web-based software. Number 2, backend. It refers to the server-side development of the web application or website with a primary focus on how the website works. It is responsible for managing the database through queries and APIs by client-side commands. Now, let's have a look at the skills of the backend developer, and some of the languages which are known to the backend developer are PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed specifically for web development. Since PHP code executed on the server side, so it is called server-side development. Number 2, C++. It is a general-purpose programming language widely used nowadays for competitive programming. It is also used as a backend language. Number 3, Java. It is one of the most popular language and widely used programming language and platform. It is highly scalable. Java components are easily available in the open market, so backend developers use Java most of the time. You can also use Python and JavaScript for the backend development. Number 3, database. Database is the collection of interrelated data which helps in the efficient retrieval, insertion and deletion of data from database and organizes the data in the form of tables, views and reports. Some of the skills required for the database management are Oracle. Oracle database is the collection of data which is treated as a unit, and the purpose of this data is to store and retrieve the information related to the query. It is a database server and used to manage this information. Number 2, MongoDB. MongoDB is the most popular NoSQL database and it is an open source document oriented database. The term NoSQL means non-relational. It means the MongoDB isn't based on a table-like relational database structure but provides an altogether different mechanism for the storage and retrieval of the data. Number 3, SQL. The structured query language is a standard database language which is used to create, maintain and retrieve the relational database. Some of the organizations which are hiring are Google, Meta, WhatsApp, Factual Analytics, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Deloitte, and many more startups. Now let's have a look at the salary. At an average, the salary starts from 8 to 12 lakh per annum, while the salary can go up to 17 to 20 lakh for a senior position after an experience of 2 to 3 years. So if you want to become full stack developer, you can choose SSDN technologies.